Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the can of beans on Grow a Garden. I was confused as to what that was, and it's actually just a jump boost. Here, I'll show you. I don't have the beanstalk grown, so I'll just use my Princess Thorn for an example. So here, I don't know where I should do it. Maybe like on like a flatter surface. I'll just do it at the top later. Okay. Hold on, let me just, oh, it's very hard to go there that way. Okay. It is a jump boost, so if you like get it, it's called the can of beans. And jump, as you can see, your jump is way higher than without it, but obviously one jump means like one can of beans. And that's what it means basically. This is just me jumping normally, and that's the jump with the can of beans, the one before. So yeah, that is what it's for. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.